All right, so once you get it all exploded, obviously you need to save it. File, new, drawing. And this is a little bit different. Hit OK. If you have it open, it should be listed here. If not, browse for it. Double click on it. Now you have an option here. Show in exploded model break state. We want that check mark for the first one. Isometric. I'm going to turn on my shaded with edges from the beginning here. And click and put it in the screen. Now it's going to be really, really small. So if we look at that handout, it says the scale should be 1 to 5. So I'm going to click off of everything, right click on sheet 1, go to properties, make the scale 1 to 5, hit OK. And the key here is we want to try to get this to fit. What we might have to do is right click, edit sheet format. And really, honestly, all this stuff here, most of it we don't need. We can select it and delete it. Kind of customize the toolbar. I would probably keep this stuff. Now, you can see that we got rid of our line across the top here, but if we go to the Sketch tab, we can just draw our line back in. So that's how you can create a custom title block. Use that edit sheet format. Now, here's the tricky part. That's the exploded view. Let's go back to view layout. Bring in the model view, bring this in again. This time I'm going to uncheck the show exploded view. And now I can bring it in all put together. And again, make sure that uses the sheet scale, which we made 1 to 5. Now, to do the parts list, and this is on the handout I think, it says Annotate tab, Tables, Bill of Material. So go to the Annotate tab, Tables is at the end, Bill of Materials, and then it says which one you want to put it on. I'm going to click on my exploded view, hit the green check mark. We can leave all this defaulted, hit the green check mark, and we bring in a little table. Maybe I'll move this over. And this has all your parts listed. Now you can see it's a little too long, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover between the 2 rows or columns and double click, and it will kind of shrink it down. That way I can get this to fit all nice like. Maybe I'll move this view up a little bit. That's the parts list. So we got one of these, we got 3 of the servos. Okay? To get the little balloons to show up, again, that's on the handout. Annotate tab, balloons. Annotate tab, balloons right there. Click on each part. And if you click on the corner or the edge of the part, you get an arrow. If you click like on the center of it, you get a dot. I prefer that you click on the edge to get the actual arrow to show up. Again, with these, you don't have them cross each other. You never have them crisscross each other. It's just poor layout. You don't overcrowd it, so it's like hard to see. And to be honest, this little right here, I didn't quite leave enough space. You should have more space. And obviously you want to make sure you didn't forget anything. So I should have 1 through 7. I didn't forget anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Right click, edit sheet format, finish filling all that stuff out, and then print it for grade.